You can say a drama inspired me, and then I talked to my Bapi, and Bapi was like, whatever you want, you can become.
Doctor Banna was always my dream. And mostly it's my grandparents and my mother's dream. They wanted to see me in a white coat and they wanted me to treat people and take care of them.
In a drama, actually, there were very slums people. They were mistreated, actually. Their health was not good. And in our country, there are also very slums area.
So going to those rural areas, telling them, explaining them कि क्या चीज़ सही है, क्या चीज़ गलत है, and giving all my hours and work into changing that system from the root. That is what is the main thing that make me stick to this path.
So it was a choice for me at that time to become a doctor. So I just go to the dream. It was my dream first, then it becomes my dad's dream.
Hi, my name is Nilova Chakraborty. I'm from Calcutta, West Bengal, and I'll be joining Perm State Medical University in Perm, Russia.
Hi, I'm Shampurna Mujumdar. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm going to Perm State Medical University.
I tried last year. I gave once, but this year I couldn't. I couldn't sit for the exam. I broke my leg a month prior. And I was heartbroken, definitely. आप पूरा साल मेहनत करने के बाद भी it all comes down to one day. It's just a matter of 3.5 hours. कि उस टाइम पे आपका मेंटल स्टेट कैसा है, उस टाइम पे आपका फिजिकल स्टेट कैसा है, कि आपको नींद आ रही है, आपका तबीयत खराब हो गया है.
For me, I've studied a lot, but at the exam center, something happens and the mark was not as my expectations.
Whatever happens, just on the day of the exam, don't panic about the result कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा.
So it lacks when you are very panic what will happen, what will come in the exam.
My advice is just be focused कि जितना पढ़ा है उतना लिख के आना है, बाकी का बाद में देखा जाएगा.
You have to study, and what will happen or what will come in the exam is not in your hand.
I have faced a lot of struggles because preparing for this exam has not been easy. It's definitely difficult. I had to stay away from my family.
The education system right now, everyone knows what is happening, and the big scam that happened this year. There's no any chances or any perfect thing that the scam is not going to repeat again and again, and the competition is exceeding, and we don't know what will happen the next year.
That is the main reason why I prefer going to Russia. Government college India, definitely, it's a very good option. But studying in private in India, it's a lot of money. And I am a single child. So I obviously want my parents to have that money for themselves so that when they're getting older and when they are getting sick, they will need that money, that kind of money.
In our locality, there was one uncle, my dad's friend, who just told us that my son is going to Russia, you can also send your daughter.
My father played a very big role in that. He was the one who did all the research. He was the one who selected the college, and he took all those weights off my shoulders because Russia is a very big country. And taking the right decision is also a very big step.
The Russia was a far country, but much better than Georgia. The study thing and all the procedures, all the curriculum are more or less similar to Indian.
And the kind of infrastructure and the kind of facilities that we will be provided, I guess वो अभी भी यहाँ available है नहीं. वहाँ के जो teachers हैं, वहाँ के जितने भी मैंने videos देखे हैं कि वहाँ पे कोई language barrier है नहीं. We are taught in English. And the professors out there also are very good in English as well as Hindi. So Russia gave me this feeling where I might not miss my home that much. It gave me a homely feeling. So that, and I love winter if that counts. So yeah.
Yes, I'm anxious, obviously, a lot far. I haven't stayed in hostel or any university. Oh my goodness.
I'm very scared. I'm also excited. And there's this knot in my chest and my stomach. ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि अभी रो दूंगी, लेकिन एक excitement भी है obviously क्योंकि बहुत दूर है, नए लोग मिलेंगे, वहाँ के culture को देखना, वहाँ के लोगों से बात करना. But अब मम्मी पापा से भी दूर जा रही हूँ. That is there in my head. मैंने जब जो बोला है उन्होंने माना है. And I am glad that I have parents and grandparents like them.